Ever spent hours washing your car, only to step back and see your wheels still look filthy? Brake dust, grime, and dirt that just won't budge. We've all been there. But here's the good news. The right wheel brush can make your rims look brand new in minutes without scratches today. I'm breaking down the best car wheel cleaning brushes loved by detailers and car enthusiasts worldwide. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that'll make your wheel cleaning 10x faster. Let's dive in. Number 1. Tialero Wheel Brush Kit. Drill Power Diff. You want fast results? The Tialero Wheel Brush Kit is a beast. It attaches right to your power drill, giving you machine-level cleaning without the price of pro gear. The bristles are soft nylon, scratch-free, super dense, perfect for alloy chrome, and painted rims at 9.6 inches long. It reaches deep inside spokes where hand brushes struggle. Plus, you get a hand grip stabilizer so the drill stays steady, no wobbling, no mess. And the bonus detailing brush, perfect for bolts, corners, and tight crevices. With a 4.5-star rating and Amazon's choice, this is the best option for anyone who wants pro results fast. Are you team drill-powered or manual brushes? Let me know in the comments. Number 2. Chemical Guys Wheelie Brush. If power tools aren't your thing, the Chemical Guys Wheelie Brush is the safest, softest option. It's built with flag-tipped synthetic bristles, gentle on finishes, but strong enough to remove road grime and brake dust. Use it on wheels, grill-spliss, trim-7 exterior panels. The ergonomic handle gives you control without tiring your hands, and it pairs perfectly with your favorite wheel cleaner, with 4.6 stars and thousands of reviews. This is the go-to one brush for everything option. Number 3. Viking Long Handle Wheel and Fender Brush. If you own a truck or SUV, this one's for you. The Viking Long Handle brush is all about reach, a full 16.5 inches long, letting you get into wheel wells, bumpers, and fenders without bending or touching dirt. The triple-flagged bristles are soft but powerful, and the rubberized handle gives you a solid, non-slip grip with 4.7 stars and Amazon's choice. It's the perfect balance of reach, comfort, and control. Hit that like button if you hate bending down while cleaning wheels. This brush solves that instantly. Number 4. Fidacy. Fidacy Long Wheel Brush is built for deep cleaning the inside of rims, the spots most brushes never reach. Why detailers love it? 17 inches long, 9.8-inch bristle head, flexible but firm bristles, perfect for wheelbarrows. And behind brake calipers, it's also super versatile, great for motorcycles, boats, exhaust tips, or home cleaning. With a 4.4-star rating and 3,000+ reviews, it's a must-have for anyone who wants a truly deep wheel clean. And wait till you see the last brush. It's from one of the biggest names in car care. Number 5. Mother's Wheel and Fender Brush. If you've ever done detailing, you know Mother's. Their 10-inch wheel and fender brush is compact, comfortable, and incredibly effective. It features soft, triple-flagged, bristle-rubberized grip rubber, safety edge, no accidental scratches. It's the perfect blend of durability and control, great for rims, wheel wells, and bumpers. With 9,000+ ratings and a 4.6-star average, this is a pro-level brush for any budget. Are you team long handle or team short handle? Comment below. Tialero Drill Kit, fastest deep clean. Chemical Guys Wheelie, safest for sensitive finishes via King. Long handle, best for trucks. Subs Fidacy, long brush, deep cleaning. King Mother's Brush, premium build and comfort always. Rinse your brushes after each wash and store them upright. It keeps the bristles soft and prevents bacteria buildup, and that's it. The best wheel cleaning brushes that'll make your car look like it just rolled out of a showroom. If this video helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite brush, and subscribe for more detailing reviews every week. Next up, the best tire shine products, and trust me, you don't want to miss that one. See you in the next video, and until then, keep your ride shining.